Merry Christmas, everyone! Today, I'm gonna unbox these. Okay, so this is Henry. I got a Trackmaster Henry, finally. And then Duncan and Dodge. But today, I'll unbox Duncan first. So, let me just get him out of the bubble wrap thingy. Hold on, I'm gonna cut it off screen. Okay. Here's Duncan. Whoa, Duncan, Trackmaster Duncan. His eyes is a bit weird, I think. I think this is a sticker. I think that's painted on. Here's Duncan. Let me set the train set up and put batteries in it. And now I put the batteries and I set up the layout. Here's Duncan running on the track. There Duncan goes. Like this version of Duncan. It's just the same with the old version of Duncan, but I like the yellow one this one. Maybe one day I'll get more variations of Duncan like the one with the mud. And maybe I'll do a Duncan remake with this one, but I don't know. So that's for today's video. Next unboxing is Dodge.